The rural firefighter who lost his wife and two of his children in the Queensland floods is appearing before the inquiry into the disaster today. Danny McGuire has already told the inquiry in a statement that he warned the fire service to evacuate the town of Grantham 2 days before the floods claimed more than a dozen lives, including those of his family. Reporter Francine Norton joins me now from Brisbane. So, Francine, what did Danny McGuire have to say?
Well, Ros, firstly, Danny McGuire's victim impact statement was read to the court, in which he described the impact that losing his wife and two children has had on his life. He said without his surviving son, Zach, his life really wouldn't be worth living. He's also become addicted to painkillers, so some heart-wrenching details in that victim impact statement. But when Mr McGuire actually took to the witness box, he was really asked questions from the lawyer representing the state government, Jeff Rolls, about assistance he's received from the state government and the Commonwealth. He was asked to confirm whether he'd received $33,000, and Mr McGuire's response to that was he can't really remember because it's been such a harrowing time, but even if it was, $33,000 is not much for 3 lives. At times, the Commissioner had to even interject and kept asking the lawyer whether his line of questioning really had anything to do with the terms of reference for the floods inquiry. And outside court, Mr McGuire said that he felt the line of questioning was inappropriate, and he really wasn't asked many questions about the issues that he has tried to raise, particularly in relation to communications problems within the Queensland Fire and Rescue Service.
Now, Francine, there was a suggestion earlier this month that Danny McGuire was going to be charged over the deaths of his 3 family members. Did he talk about that?
Outside court, he did clarify that. He said he is facing about 5 charges, some of which date back to almost 2 decades ago. One of them is also a driving charge, and he's due to face court in a couple of weeks over those. But he said that these charges, which don't have anything to do in relation to these floods in January, but they've only come up now because he believes that there is a smear campaign against him by the authorities because of the issues that he has tried to raise about the flooding disaster in Grantham in January.
Francine, thank you.